This is something you don't usually have on a serger, but I'm thrilled it's included with the BERNINA L 850. So if you're a BERNINA user, you know that this is a presser foot lifter. It is going to be inserted right here, and it will lift and lower the presser foot, letting you really have all your hands on your fabric. The other thing that it will do is if your presser foot is up and you go ahead and push it all the way over, it will lower the presser foot. So it's a great time saver. You just need to go ahead and slide it in. You will notice that it's at a slight kind of 630 angle towards your right knee. And so as you stitch, so right now my foot is been locked up from behind, that I can push my knee all the way over and then the foot will come down. So instead of you having to do a little lifting with your thumb on that front toe, which you can do by the way, this will allow you just to go ahead and have the foot lift all the way, slide your fabric in right up to the knife. That's about as far as you're going to be able to slide it in, and then just go ahead and stitch. Now, again, nice thing too is if you need to kind of finesse your fabric about partially down your seam, you can just go ahead, give it a little lift, do what you need at your fingertips, and then continue to stitch. So no reason to lift it up, get it over here, lower it down, just give it a little nudge, adjust as necessary, and away you go. Once the foot has been lowered down onto the throat plate or onto your fabric, this will not actually lift the foot back up into its locked position. But what it will do is let you lift up the foot, slide your fabric in, and then let go with your knee down here, and then you're ready to stitch. It really is a time saver, so give yourself a chance to get used to it. Try it out. It is included with this beautiful serger, and it is one of the things that makes this serger unique.